Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show you how to update Epic Games. In my case it's already installed and yours too. If you don't see it auto-updating when you open the program, you'll need to update manually. For this, I'll just open any browser. Here I'm typing Epic Games. Download the launcher. Now click Install on Windows. Open this installer. Here, by the way, it shows the version right away. So click the Yes button, the confirmation just popped up. Alright, let's wait. There. And the Epic Games launcher will just open like mine, but it might just open, or it might update first and then open. Mine just opened because I have the latest version, but yours will update first and then open. Also, you can enable automatic updates by checking Run Application at Computer Startup, which will auto-update the launcher when you start your PC if there are updates. And here you can also go to the Downloads page, and there's also auto-update games here if that's what you were looking for. That's it. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you all later.